November 1st, 2007. That holiday season I will never forget. November 1st was the day I lost my father due to cancer. And at the time, my father and I were partners in the business that we did for almost 4 years. And my father and I were very close. He was someone I looked up to as a kid and who I share a lot with. So reality really sinked in that Thanksgiving, that Christmas, that New Year's. The holiday's supposed to be cheerful. But at the same time, I want to remind you that there is a reality out there that everyone else might not be having the same Christmas or the same New Year's, the same celebrations. There are some of you who are just struggling because you lost a loved one, or you're going through a challenging time where you don't know how you could put the next meal on the table, how you're gonna buy gifts for your kids. These are all realities. And I just remember, like in '07, I was going through such a hard time, and all throughout the holiday season, all throughout Christmas, New Year, it was the worst time of my life. So this holiday season, I just want to remind you that no matter the trials you're going through, the struggles, there's always hope. There's always light in the end of the tunnel, and the best is yet to come.